spending years in the gym and still not looking strong. Meanwhile, some people seem to transform into human tanks. Bigger, stronger, more powerful. So what's their secret? Is it expensive supplements? A magical workout program? Or some hidden fitness trick nobody wants to tell you about? Not exactly. The truth is much simpler. For more than a century, soldiers, athletes, wrestlers, and bodybuilders have relied on a handful of powerful exercises to build real strength and muscle. And today, we're counting down the top 5 exercises that can help build a body like a tank. Let's begin. At number 5, push-ups. Simple, yes. Easy, not always. Push-ups train your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at the same time. That's one reason military organizations around the world have used them for generations. Here's a crazy fact. Some athletes have completed thousands of push-ups in a single day. Imagine waking up the next morning and trying to lift your toothbrush. But if push-ups are so effective, why aren't they higher on this list? Keep that question in mind. We'll come back to it later. At number 4, pull-ups. Few exercises reveal true upper body strength like a pull-up. You're not moving a weight, you're moving your entire body. Pull-ups build your back, biceps, forearms, and grip strength, and strong grip strength is often associated with better overall athletic performance. Think about it. Would you rather lift a weight or lift yourself? That's what makes pull-ups special. And if you can't do one yet, don't worry. Every strong athlete started somewhere. At number 3, squats. Let me ask you something. Would you build a skyscraper on a weak foundation? Of course not. That's exactly why squats matter. Your legs contain some of the largest muscles in your body. Squats train your quads, glutes, and core while helping develop total body strength. And let's be honest, everyone talks about big arms, but nobody talks about tiny legs. That's why skipping leg day became one of the biggest jokes in fitness history. At number 2, deadlifts. Now we're entering serious territory. The deadlift is one of the most powerful exercises ever created. Why? Because it trains almost everything. Your legs, your back, your core, your grip, and even your mental toughness. Humans have been lifting heavy objects off the ground for thousands of years. Farmers did it, workers did it, warriors did it. The deadlift simply turns one of humanity's oldest movements into an exercise. But here's the big question. If deadlifts are this powerful, what could possibly be number 1? At number 1, the barbell bench press. When people think about strength, this is often the first exercise that comes to mind. And for good reason. The bench press builds your chest, shoulders, and triceps while allowing you to progressively increase weight over time. That's one reason it has become one of the most famous exercises in the world. But here's the secret. The bench press isn't number 1 because it's popular. It's number 1 because it combines simplicity, effectiveness, and muscle-building potential exceptionally well. However, the real secret isn't any single exercise. It's combining all 5: push-ups, pull-ups, squats, deadlifts, and the bench press. Together, they help create a balanced, strong, powerful physique. So which exercise surprised you the most? And which one are you going to start doing this week? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. This channel is packed with fascinating history, science, mysteries, fitness facts, and incredible stories from around the world. And speaking of incredible stories, did you know that one bank robbery in history was so massive that it shocked an entire nation and became legendary? Want to learn about the biggest bank robbery in history? Let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.